Hello, I'm Mimi, and today I'm going to share some colour palette inspiration with you as we go for a walk beneath Cradle Mountain in Tasmania, Australia. Most Australians don't see snow very often, and if you had asked me to draw a snowy winter scene before going on this walk, I probably would have drawn something very white with some cool blues and greys. But that's the great thing about getting outside and looking closely. You get to challenge your assumptions about what colours you expect to see and actually look. Walking and intentionally thinking about colour on this beautiful spring day, I'm surprised by the kaleidoscope of colours that I see and the amount of vibrant life there is bursting through the snow. The brightness of the white snow in the sunshine seems to make everything feel more rich and not less alive, like I thought it would. I'm surprised by the beautiful greens peeking through the snow and the way the snow melt catches the sun as it rains down through the trees. I like the unexpected pinks and creams of tiny flowers among the mountain landscape. I like the variety of blues reflecting in the fresh mountain streams, and how the rocky bottom shines bright in the sunlight. Sometimes nature is pleasantly predictable and plain, and sometimes it surprises me with a lesson about the power of contrast. The world around us has so much to offer us in our art about colours, textures, and shapes if we want to look closely. Sometimes it's easy to feel inspired to create something, but sometimes being faced with a blank sketchbook and the pressure of thinking of something to draw is hard. That's why these walks are so nice, and I wanted to share them with you, because intentionally looking for inspiration in the world can lead to pleasant surprises. And I think surprise is the secret spice of inspiration. Sometimes we just need to shift our perspective on what we're seeing and challenge our assumptions to spark a whole new set of creative ideas. This walk has reminded me that change is good. The change of the landscape being transformed by snow, of the snow melting and flowing downstream, and the change of adjusting our own perspective and improving our art when the time feels right. We don't have to stay the same. In fact, I think it's better if we don't. So if you're stuck for inspiration, slow down, simplify things, and challenge what you see. I'll be sharing a document with the colour palettes from this video in the description below, and I'll be making more colour palette walks in different environments very soon, so consider subscribing if you'd like for us to share another adventure together. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.